One of the most confusing parts when I started selling on Amazon was keywords. Everybody would always say, okay, you need to go and do good keyword research and make sure you have a well-optimized listing, but what exactly was a keyword and how would I go about finding them? And as you got into all the intricacies, it started to actually get really difficult. So I want to make it easier and take out all that learning that I had to learn and make it simple. So what I found is I took a whole course on search engine optimization. That was for Google, and then I also took a couple courses on machine learning for actually building search algorithms. So I want to tell you guys, here's what it comes down to. I want to teach you a methodology so that you can test and find out things for yourself, because they're always changing on Amazon. And so you either have to find somebody who's like tested and verified it, or you test it yourself. So at a fundamental basis, Amazon needs to find some way to think about, okay, when a user types in words, how does it know which listings to show? That's what happens at a fundamental basis. And what it uses is keywords, okay? And so what a keyword is it's just like a string of characters that are put together, okay? And so here, I'll show you if we go over here and we look just right at my screen. So let's use the Doge. All right, we're gonna use the Dogecoin for this example. So if we look up just the word Doge, so this is the text to binary. So this is what a computer actually sees when you type in the word Doge. You would get this string of characters. And then if you type in coin, you would get this string of characters. So now if we type in Doge coin, convert, we get that. And then if we type in Doge space coin, we get that. You see, that's different. So what you'll notice is, so I've got it right here, then Doge is right there, coin is right there, but then that space, so let's say you were like, if you didn't have Dogecoin together, if you didn't use this word right here in your listing, you won't show up for Dogecoin. Okay, so what we could do is, if I show you to Amazon right here, let me pull this up. So if we look up Doge, okay, so there's over 10,000 results. And then if we look up Dogecoin, we've only got 912 results. So what happens right there is that your listing has to have the word Doge and the word coin in your listing. But now if we watch, so that was 912 results, but what if we go to Dogecoin now? This has 704 results. So there are some listings that have had the word Doge and coin, but they forgot to put Dogecoin together, therefore they did not rank for the term Dogecoin. So overall, you just need to have the actual keywords in your listing to rank. So if you wanted to rank for, what are we going to say here? Dogecoin. So if you want to rank for Dogecoin, you have to have the word Dogecoin in there. But now if you want to rank for Dogecoin is the best. So apparently there are listings that these all have each one of those words in the listing. So, but now the question is, does order matter? Yes and no. So because if we look up, you see right there, there's 16 out of 20 results. So Dogecoin is the best, or Dogecoin is best the. Look, we'll get the same, what? How did one other one show up? That wasn't supposed to happen. Dogecoin is the best. Has 1 out of 20. Okay, what about Doge? All right, maybe I'm learning something right here. I thought that order didn't matter, but yeah, maybe that's just a fluke that we're running into there. But this is, you know, I'm not perfect. I don't know all the answers, but here's how you test. This is the methodology, because it will show your exact results up here. So that's the way that you test. So overall, from what let's go ahead and test this. How can I just leave it up to you guys to figure out, okay, the best coffee cups. See, what I'm thinking is they might have special rules for acronyms like the and best and a, because they don't care about those as much. So the best, I guess the way that we could eliminate here is we'll only use nouns that are keywords. So we would go with coffee, cup, dog, winter, toy. I don't know why somebody would have all of those, but there's 194 that have that right there. So if we want to let's go with coffee, toy, cup, dog, winter. 94, winter, coffee, cup. Okay, so order doesn't really matter unless there's acronyms, because I guess what I could show you is just the word A ranks. Okay, there should be more than 32 results for the word A. We're just going to address that in a little bit. So there are exceptions, and I have a video talking about all the weird intricacies of keywords, but I just want to go over the general review of it. So each word is just a string of numbers, so you have to match that exactly. And then Amazon has this problem where there's all these listings and it doesn't really know what a listing is. It just sees numbers. So when a user types into the search key bar up here, okay, there's word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you know, those are the words that pop up, and then it says, okay, are each one of those individually that are different from a space, are those all in the listing? If yes, then you rank. So that's the general understanding of keywords. And so what your overall goal with your listing is to find every single combination of the way that people are going to look for your product and make sure that you have each one of those words in there so that you rank. And then now the thing is choosing which one of those to put in where, because each place that you put your keywords are going to be different in your ranking. And so I've got a video explaining that later of how where you put your words determines keyword ranking. But I just wanted to make this video, and hopefully you understand more from fundamental basis. This is just the bare bones minimum requirement to even be chosen.